Yes, so guys, we'll begin shortly. Yes, I think many of you are there. Yes, so we'll start. Yes. So, hello everyone. We welcome each one of you to the biggest festival happening in Nasik, which is Flutter Festival, organized by Google Developer Club of our campus. So, we'll be having this event up to 30th of March 2022. From the last session, which was the opening ceremony of Flutter, you all must have got idea about the timeline and the criteria to get eligible for rewards. So, if any one of you have missed our opening ceremony, you can watch it using the link provided in description. So now guys, I'll be going through the agenda. That is, I'll tell you whatever we have for you guys in today's event. So, first we'll be going through what is Flutter, speakers for today's session. Then I'll be telling you what is Flutter, Flutter's foundational pillars, roadmap, resources. Then I'll be telling you about setting up a Flutter and Dart, then Dart programming language, Q&A, and at last how you guys can connect with us. So now let me introduce you to our speakers. So we will be having Sai Zadhav and Sanket Borade as our Flutter facilitators in this event. So let's flutter our wings and dive deep into Flutter. Now to begin with, we have what is Flutter? So Flutter is Google's UI kit for building beautiful and natively compiled application for mobile, web, desktop, and embedded devices, and that too from a single code base. So, to understand in short, or in other words, if you make apps or websites using Flutter, it will be fast compared to other frameworks or technologies. Now, the further information regarding this will be given by Sanket.
Flutter is supported across many tools and platforms, which you are already using, including Android Studio, Xcode, VX Code, Firebase, Android APIs, iOS APIs, Material Design, Redux, and thousands of third-party plugins. You can develop desktop, web, iOS, Android application in Flutter using just single code base. Next. Next slide, please. Yeah. Now, Sai will be taking on to tell you about what is Dash.
Hello everyone. Now you all must be wondering about the animation on your screen. Waving at you, right? The cute animated toy on your screen is named as Dash. Dash is the mascot used for Dart languages and the Flutter framework too. In the next event, you will be given a few pictures of Dash and you are going to show us the cutest and funniest mascot prepared by you. Exciting, right? So, let me tell you all why Flutter is used all around the world. Flutter is built to be fast, be productive, beautiful, open source for all, and portable too. So, let's move on to the next part. You may be thinking right now how Flutter is fast. So, let me explain you. Flutter uses Dart as its programming languages, which is AOT, ahead of time, compiled to fast, predictable, native code, allowing writing almost all of the Flutter code. This makes Flutter extremely fast. And there is a hot reload function in Flutter, which helps you to speed up the development and it allows you to instantly view the changes applied to the code and reload it in less than a second. Being productive. We call Flutter productive because we can build native both Android and iOS app from Google from a single code base. Flutter for the web is just transitioned from beta to stable. And this is great news for developer since it allows them to create extremely secure and attractive websites. You may also use it to create your new website.
You can create a lot of beautiful and attractive apps using Flutter. Flutter has expressive and flexible UI, due to which customization is very simple in Flutter. With its power and composting capacity, you can overlay and animate graphics, text, video, and other controls without any limitation. To add on we will also find a set of widgets that delivers the perfect experience of Android as well as iOS. As we all know, Flutter is an open source framework by Google. This basically means that the language is not priority, as with certain provisions, it can be modified, built upon in many manners with open access to public. And yes, the Flutter is portable too. It can be connected to multiple devices from a single codebase. You can use it in mobile, web, desktop, embedded devices, and enjoy your exciting apps without any difficulty. Lots of technical stuff, right? Now, I will be calling Gauri and Sharwari to take a short quiz.
Hey everyone,
I am Sharvi Tamburi.
and I am Gauri Suryavanshi.
Gauri, while I was surfing on the net, I read that since the launch of Flutter 2, that is 2.8 in the last year, Google cites 375,000 new Flutter apps in the Play Store. That's a lot, right? Nearly half of which have launched since May 2021.
That's a lot. Indeed, the great open source technology to learn, isn't it, guys? So, we are here to bring you some fun in the form of Kahoot quiz between learning. So, are you guys ready?
Yes, to begin with, just Google Kahoot and enter the code which will be shown on the screen. If anyone is having any doubt or any technical issue, they can ask their query in the chat box.
Okay, so how's the Josh, guys? The code is will be on the screen soon. Okay.
Yes. So the code is 6293099. Enter with your full name, your name and surname. Come on, guys. This is going to be a very exciting quiz. So I hope a lot. Yes. Okay, the first player we have Nikita Shinde, Jen Jayesh have joined. Ishwar is there.
Okay, so we have a lot of participants now. So come on, guys, hurry up. We only have seats for only 100 participants.
Yes, join with your full name. You can either scan the code on the screen or type in the pin or just click on the link which will be available on the chat box. The competition has already begun.
Come on, we have
Gauri.
Yes, right, Shalvari. Come on, guys, hurry up.
Okay, the count is increasing. We want more people to join in. Okay. Prathamesh has joined. Prithvi has joined. We have Ayush. Nikita Rane has joined just. Okay, Pranay has joined.
Come on, hurry up. Only 100 seats are there. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. We'll be waiting for only 2 minutes now. Akanksha, Disha, you should enter with your full name.
Yes, please enter the full name so it will be easy for us to give you scores. Okay.
You can leave and you can rejoin.
Come on friends, join. We have very few seats remaining. The competition has started from this point only. The competition is for 10 points. Also remember the top 3 winners will be directly awarded with 10 points, okay?
Don't you miss this opportunity, guys. Come on. Your rewards are based on this. Okay, so we have Purnima Mahajan entering the quiz.
Okay. We both are so excited to play this game, guys. And let's see how interested you are. So speed up.
For the viewers who joined late, I'll repeat the instructions. You just have to click the link in the chat box, or you have to just Google the Kahoot and enter the pin 6293099.
Yes, you can type in the code or scan the QR code on the screen, or just click on the link in the chat box. Okay.
Yes, few more minutes and then we'll start with the quiz.
Yes.
Shalvari, what do you think? Should we start or should we wait for them?
I guess we should wait. We want more people to join. The more the better, right?
Right, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, we have Vedant, Prerna,
Ruchita, then Siddesh have just joined. Come on. We want one more player for half century. Okay,
Yes.
that is Akshada. Come on, guys, hurry up. Few minutes for exciting quiz. Oh,
Okay, we have
another
Shalini.
Shalini. Yash Kamlesh, please enter with your full name. What a overwhelming response.
Really, Sharwari. I'm so excited to play with all these guys.
Yes, I'm excited too and hope they are also equally excited. So show your excitement and join in with the quiz.
If you have any difficulty joining the Kahoot, you can place your quiz in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, so Aishwarya joined.
Okay. Bhakti Sonamane.
Come on, guys, tell your friends to join. You all want the rewards.
Yes, it is for 10 points. Exciting question, exciting journey towards Flutter. Okay. Few more minutes and then we'll begin. What do you think, Gauri?
Yes, sure. Okay, so Vaidehi Pawar have just joined. Welcome, Vaidehi.
Please enter with your full name. I guess we should begin. What do you think?
Yes, we should begin now. Okay, so Sharwari, I guess all the players are ready. So let's begin with the quiz.
Yes, let's start.
And the quiz begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
And the first question is, which programming language does Flutter use? Is it Dart, C, Python or C#? Okay, it is a very easy question. Which programming language does Flutter use? Dart, C, Python or C#? Match the option with the color on your screen. Okay, come on, hurry up. We want more responses. Hurry up, an easy question. And 3, 2, the answer is Dart. Okay, most of them have answered it correctly. And let's see the leaderboard. We have Prerna, then followed by Pratik, Siddesh, Sahil and Prathamesh. Wow, congratulations guys. And the next question.
Okay, so the next question is, what is Flutter? And the options are open source database management system, open source UI toolkit, open source backend toolkit, or all of the above. This is so easy questions, guys. Come on. Come on, we are waiting for your responses. Hurry up. Okay, and let's see who have answered. Okay, so 24 participants have answered it correctly. Open source UI toolkit, and we see the leaderboard. Okay, so Prerna Godse is now on the top as consistent.
Congratulations.
And followed by Siddesh, Pratik, Ayush. Great start, guys. Great start. You're one step ahead to your reward.
And the next question is Flutter a programming language? Another simple question to get those 10 points in your bucket, isn't it, Gauri?
Yes, right, Sharwari. It is so easy one.
You just have to answer true or false. Just answer true or false. Is Flutter a programming language? A very simple question. Okay. And the answer is false. Flutter is not a programming language. It is an SDK. So let's see how many of them have got it right. Oh, the leaderboard has changed. Let's see who is at the top. Pratik, congratulations with 2,461 points, followed by Sanket Mahajan, Nikita Sinde, Harshali, Priya. Congratulations. Let's go to the next question.
And your next question is SDK stands for, and your options are Software Development Knowledge, Software Data Kit, Software Development Kit, and Software Database Kit. You just have to unfold the acronym and you will get the answer.
An easy question, very easy one.
Right, Sharvari. Come on, hurry up, guys. We want more responses.
I guess all will get this one right.
Right. Okay, so many more have correct answers. So let's see the leaderboard now. And Pratik Thikle has a consistency, He's on the top now, followed by Sanket Mahajan, Nikita Shinde, Harshali Sonwani, Tejal Chaudhary. Congratulations, guys.
Yes, congratulations. And this is the last question on your screen. What is used when you create the Flutter application for Android? Is it iOS folder, Android folder, Google folder, or text folder? What is used when you create Flutter application for Android? Hurry up, answer. This is the last question to get your points. Come on, hurry up. And after this question, we will be having our winners. Okay, so hurry up. 4, 3, and the answer is Android folder. Okay, we have many who have answered it right. Now let's see the podium. Excited to see the podium.
In position we have Harshali Sonwani. Congrats, Harshali.
Okay, Vedant have bought the second place, and the winner is Pratik Thikle. Congratulations. And the runner-up, congratulations to all the winners and runner-ups.
Wow, this was so great. Our players are so enthusiastic. Don't you think, Sharvari?
Yes, of course. We are glad to be the host to you all. It was fun, but it is not over yet. Don't let your jaws go down, okay?
We will be back in a while with another exciting Kahoot.
Adios, amigos.
Sumi sayonara, friends. Bye.
Okay, so thank you so much,
What an
Gauri.
interesting game, right?
Actually,
Yeah, now we can
we
start
had a
with the
great
technical
refreshment. Yes. So, getting back to learning, trusted by developers. Flutter is trusted by more than 1,000 developers. We'll get to know more about that. Today, there are more than 1.5 lakhs of Flutter apps present in the Google Play Store, created by the developers around the world of all sizes. In addition to this, building applications, companies like Microsoft and Square are contributing to the Flutter ecosystem to broaden Flutter support across devices. So, guys, come on, let us see how Google uses Flutter. Next slide, please. As described in 2015, Flutter was released in May 2017. Google developers are eager to use Flutter because of the extensive documentation. It was made available in the public version of 0.6, and many more Google-based apps are built with Flutter. As you can see on your screen, Google Ads, Google Assistant, Google Pay, Google One, Google Stadia, Flutter Gallery, and Google AdWords, and etc. There are more apps developed by these Flutter surfaces. We move on to the global community support. Moving further, as we all can see on slides, The reach of the Flutter is just rapidly increasing and is used on large platforms. There are developers from all around the world making Flutter even better to reach every corner of the world and spread immense knowledge. It is feasible to use. There are many contributions of more than 1,000 developers. Today, today marks a significant expansion of this vision with the first production release for support of Windows as an app target. So, enabling Windows developers to benefit from the same productivity and power that mobile developers have been enjoying past years. So, my dear friends, this means that you can develop high quality Windows apps that also run on mobile and web with the help of Flutter. So, are you all excited to start this journey? And then there you go.
Now, let me tell you about the resources from where you can learn the Flutter development. Whether it is your first programming or you are coming from another language, you will get started from this path right away. Take your skills to next level with the format that works best for anyone. Check out videos, high quality documentation, code labs, and many more. Learn new things about Flutter, continue to expand your knowledge, and stay up to date on the latest announcement and breaking changes. This platform is best for beginners as well as advanced programmers. Never touched Flutter or Dart before? You will get started with here. Don't worry, we have got everything covered. This journey will take you from what is widget to I have created my first app. Intermediate level programmers can also take started from here. It will be like I have just built my first app to I am ready to help other developers as well. After following an expert's journey, you can understand everything inside and out, and you can lead a team. Building, publishing, and maintaining a first class application will be a cakewalk for you. Now, you might be thinking, Sanket, you have shown a lot of resources here, but what should I follow? How should I get started? What should I learn first? And how should I move on? So, next is now you might be getting a lot of questions, right? So, don't worry, I will clear things here. First of all, I will discuss the prerequisites. Let's start with the prerequisites. Before you start Flutter, you should at least learn the OP concepts of any programming language. Flutter uses Dart, and Dart is an object-oriented programming language. Dart uses the OOP concept, which will be helpful for you to create front-end UI development kits. So the latest way to learn OOPS concept in any programming language. If you are a fresh grad, let your responsibility now to create an online presence to stand out from the crowd. To do so, learn Git. Host your projects on GitHub, no matter what the project it is. Now, moving forward, you should learn Dart. Now, you might be thinking, how and where? So, I will tell you. Dart. Dart is a wide language and it will take time to master. Before jumping to apps, one should at least learn basics of the Dart language. Don't directly jump to the Flutter before knowing the Dart. Few concepts are important in Dart. I will list them down here. For example, list, map, lambda function, magazines. Feel free to explore the Flutter. Whenever we start a new language, we need a motivation to learn Dart daily. To do so, I will say get your hands dirty with UI development. When we first start our UI development, it gives you relief. When the next screen of your first app appears on the phone, it gives a motivation. I will say take any UI or design and implement it in Flutter. Create sample apps. Create sample apps for WhatsApp, clone, any simple projects. Start small. After that, once you are done with your development, you should start with learning API calls. APIs will always be needed whenever you create any apps. API calls can be done using HTTP, DAO, retrofit, super, etc. Database are integral of making app. There will always be need to integrate your app with a database to store the user information. Some of the database which can be used in Flutter are Firebase, Supabase, SQLite, etc. The next important thing will be a state management. When our app grows in size and complexity, it becomes really difficult to manage the state of the screen and application. Then, maintaining a project structure is really important. It helps newbies to review the code quickly. It can also help to trace the bug easily and add on more functionality to it. Learn project development using MVVM, MVC, and TDD architecture styles. Now, moving to the next slide, I will be explaining why to use Dart and what are the features of Dart. Okay, so let's start about the Dart. So Dart is an open source general purpose object oriented programming language. Its work has C style syntax. It was developed by Google in 2011. The purpose of Dart language is to create a front-end user interface for web as well as mobile apps. The main features of app because of which the Google uses that language for Flutter development are easy to learn. It's really easy to learn language for beginners, especially when the programmer is familiar with only any object-oriented programming language. Powerful and fast performance of application is written using Dart language. This language is highly stable and support various interfaces. Installation and use of Dart are straightforward and smooth with the Dart pad. Existence of accurate and detailed information documentation by Google that always helps the programmer and leaves no ambiguity about the code. So let's get back to your favorite quiz. Over to you, Gauri and Sharvari.
So, hey guys,
We're back again. Have you missed us?
Gauri, I'm sure they must have, as you are waiting to grade up, right?
Right. For this quiz also, you will need your Kahoot open on your screen.
Yes, enter the code and let your mind do the rest for you. The code will be on the screen in few minutes.
You know, Sharvari, I'm so excited to see who is going to lead now.
Yes, I am too. But it's not just you and me. I think the participants are equally excited, isn't it? So we have the
Right.
code and enter the code 5622509. Enter with your full name.
You know what? These guys must have gained a lot of knowledge after insightful session by Sai and Sanket.
Yes. So let's increase the level of the quiz a bit.
But guys, don't be afraid because we know you all are so smart, right?
Yes, Gauri, we have lot of brainy heads here. So many. Just be alert at the time of quiz. Okay, many have joined.
You have to follow the same instructions, guys. And if any doubt is there, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, so we have a lot of participants.
Yes. Okay. Excited to see the winners. Who is going to top the podium again?
Come on,
Okay.
hurry up, guys.
We again have Shravani, Prathamesh, Pranjal, Anushka. Chandan,
Linkar is
Nutan,
there.
Yash, welcome. Okay, come on, hurry up. Limited seats. A great chance to win those 10 points.
And
Okay.
boot up your rewards one step ahead. Okay, we have Nutan Dhamre,
Yes.
Siddhesh.
Hurry up, guys. We'll start in
I'll
a few
repeat
minutes.
the code. Right. I'll repeat the code 5622509.
Okay, come on, guys. Ruchita, Nutan.
Ruchita Kasture. Hello, Ruchita. The code is on the screen, guys.
Yes. Or you can also scan the QR on this, which is also on the screen. Hurry up. Come on, guys, hurry up. Yash, welcome, Yash. Prasad, Deori. Pratik, hi again.
Two more minutes and we will start the quiz.
Yes, we have another Yash, Yash Shinde. Okay.
So, should we begin, Sharvari?
Yes, let's start.
Okay. So, let us have the first question
Yes.
on the screen.
Yes, so let's start in 3, 2, 1. And the first question is, what are some popular apps that use Flutter? Google Ads, Birch Finance, Alibaba, or all of the above? Uh, as we have already mentioned, many apps have been built using Flutter. So it's an easy one. I already
Come
gave
on.
you a small hint. Okay, and Google Ads, all of the above was the right answer. We have many. And let's see the scoreboard. Saizada tops with 909, followed by Pratik, Nikita, Deepak, Deven. Congratulations, guys. Let's move to the next question.
Okay, so our next question is Flutter is used for Dash development. And the options are cross platform, native, backend framework, and API platform. Just remember, guys, what's the biggest advantage of Flutter? That's the answer for this question.
Yes, she has just given you a hint.
And the correct answer is cross platform, right? 11 participants have given right.
Yes.
And let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, so Pratik Dikle is on the top, followed by Pratik Parvat and Mrunmai Suryavanshi. Okay, so congratulations, Pratik.
New names on the board.
Exactly.
Let's go to the next question.
Yes.
And what are the different build modes in Flutter? And the choices are debug, profile, release, or all of the above. What are the different build modes in Flutter? Flutter supports different modes, so you have to choose the right answer. And the answer is all of the above. And I guess all of them have answered it correct.
That's
Now
great.
just yes. We'll look at the board. What a great competition is going on. I'm just so excited to see the winners at the end. Okay, we have Pratik declared consistently, then followed by Pratik Parvat, Ayush, Vedant, Devin. Congratulations, guys.
It's
Okay,
fun.
and yes, really a fun one. And let's
I
go to
wish
the next
I could
question.
play the, right. I wish I could play the quiz now. I
Yeah.
also want health rewards. Okay, so can we move to the next question? And which of the following is not the feature of that? So it's OP, statically typed, open source language, and only for front end. Which of the following is not the feature of that? Okay. In the previous slides, we have all these mentioned. Just you need to be
Yes,
focused.
it was covered.
And the answer is only for front end. That is okay, right? Only for front end, and the leaderboard scores as
Okay.
so. Pratik is on the top consistently, followed by
Yes.
Pratik Parvat, and then Runmay Suryavanshi, Ayush, and Sahil.
Okay, I guess both the Pratik are going to have a tough competition.
Competition, right?
Yes. Now we'll have the last question to last chance to score.
Stay focused,
Okay.
guys.
Yes. What is the name of Flutter official mascot? What is the name of Flutter official mascot? Octocat, Larry, Dash, or Cool Aid? It's an
This is
easy
so
one.
easy question.
Yes.
We
All
have
the
that cute
patients.
animated bird on the
Yes.
screen. What's the name for it?
And it's Dash. So I am very much thrilled to see the winners now. Let's look at the podium.
At the third position, we have Mrunmay Suryavanshi. Congrats, Mrunmay.
Oh, Pratik Parvat is on the second position. He was on the first, now is the second. And the winner is?
Pratik Dikle. Congrats, Pratik, Mrunmay, and Pratik Parvat.
Yes.
You guys are doing so well. And remember, these points are going directly into your reward section.
Yes, this was amazing. The spirit was very much great. You are doing very well.
Now we have to go, but picture abhi baki hai mere dost because the session is going to be continued. So enjoy your journey of Flutter. Over to you, Shreya. Thank you.
Yes, this was a very interesting game, and I hope you have enjoyed a lot. So now, guys, we can't wait to see any one of you. That is, we can't wait to see every one of you in our upcoming event. That is MS Paint with Bob Ross, and this is like a very entertaining and fun event. So we'll meet you guys there. Now it's our Q&A time. If anyone has any doubts, just feel free to put it in the chat. Any small doubts regarding this event, this Flutter, you can put it in the chat. We'll try to answer them. Yes, come on, guys. And just remember, guys, to fill in the check-in form, which is being posted in the chat. It is a sort of attendance to you, and it is like this will help you to get points in the scorecard. So this check-in form will be open for 1 hour. So hurry up. Yes, come on, guys. Yes, we need your questions in the chat. Yes, guys, we are waiting for your questions and then we'll answer you. Yes, so we have the question, when would we start with Flutter actually? Okay. So yes, we have started it today, guys. That is, we have, if you will see the title, it was getting started with Flutter. We have given you a rough idea regarding it. And next, I like Sanket to give a detail about this. Sanket or Sai, can you please provide the detail?
Yeah. So in the next sessions, we will be starting with Dart language itself. After completing the Dart language, we will be providing you code labs for Dart as well as Flutter. And we will be giving multiple sessions on Flutter development as well. In the end, we will be guiding you to make a simple project as well. So hold your seats, we have many things packed for you. What is mean by Flutter SDK? So your question uh, is about SDK. So SDK is software development kit. It is a Flutter framework, you can say, to create cross-platform apps using Dart language. Any other question? Difference between hot reload and hot restart. So the hot reload will is the fastest way to get your apps reloaded and on a device. The hot reload takes more time than hot restart takes more time than hot reload, and it destroys rebuild the real state and rebuilds it to default value. The tree is completely rebuilt from the beginning with the newly typed code. It takes about 23 to 30 seconds to create an app from hot restart. So in this case, the hot reload is faster and hot restart will be a slower thing. I hope that answers your question. A question from Yash Shinde. Kahoot saying my name already taken. I have given quiz on previous username. So should I change username? How should I get rewarded? Uh, yes, in there we create new links every new time, and you should try refreshing the page, and sometimes you can also try using incognito tab for the same. You don't have to create a new name each time. Next question. Any other? Come on, guys. Fill in your question. We will be waiting only for 5 minutes. Twin. A twin is provided to an animation itself, which gives us correct value at the right time. In Flutter, you can define twin as twin twin less than t or more than t, and you can animate method pass it to animation object that you want to modify. This is how you can use twin in Flutter.
Guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask. We'll be answering them.
Adesh, I have a question here. Would we be working on any project after the course? Yes, after the course, we will be guiding you to create a simple project at the end and we have a special event planned for you called as a project building. So stay tuned for it. Hurry up, guys. Ask your questions now. We will be waiting only for 2 minutes after this.
Yes, and guys, do remember to fill the check-in form, due to which we can understand, and it is a type of attendance form. So, and which will be open for 1 hour. So just fill it fast. Yes, hurry up, guys. If you have any questions. So I think, yeah, we have the question.
Can we contact you on Insta? Yes, you can contact us on Insta, but I will prefer you to join our Discord server or WhatsApp group so that we can communicate about the further project sessions. And we have also mentioned our email in the further slide. You can check it and email us there. Yeah.
Yes, and Yash, if you contact us through WhatsApp, that is our group, you'll get more information regarding the further events we have. So you prefer it. Any more question, guys? Yes, we are. If anyone has questions, just put it in the chat box.
A question from Prasad Devre here. So, what is a Dart key? A Dart key is an identifier for a widget. So, every widget has its own Dart key. Elements and semantics nodes have their different Dart keys as well. A new widget will only be used to update an existing element. If its key is same as the key of the current widget associated with the element. That's how it's work in Dart key. Really great technical questions are coming from Prasad Devani. Cheers for that.
These guys are really interested in our event.
Yeah. So next question is from Yash Shinde. Where is WhatsApp link? You can join our Discord server for now, and you can also see the WhatsApp link in the chat section now. Join the group now. We will be updating about further events in this group as well.
Yes, so thank you guys for your presence. I'll be meeting you, and our team will be meeting you in our next event, which is on 9th of March at 7 p.m. sharp. Don't miss this event. And as Sanket told you, if you have any queries, just email it on this email ID, which we have been displaying on your screen, and you'll get all the links in the description box. And for last, I'd like to tell you that we have the check-in form. Just fill it. It will be open just for 1 hour. Thank you and bye bye, guys.